Everyone, welcome back to Tech Skills from Home. Today I'm going to teach you how to become a data analyst. Whether you're a beginner, you're looking up to level up your skills, this video is for you. So what exactly does a data analyst do? A data analyst helps organizations make data-driven decisions. They collect, clean and analyze and visualize data to uncover trends and insights. It's all about transforming raw data into meaningful information that can guide business decisions. From working with Excel to databases like SQL, the role of a data analyst covers a variety of skills and tools. So we need to understand the key skills that you need as a data analyst. To get started as a data analyst, there are a few essential skills you must learn. For example, you need to have some basic and advanced master of Excel spreadsheets. It's one of the most fundamental tools used by data analysts. You'll need to understand formulas, functions like VLOOK, how to use pivot tables, and do data visualization with tools like charts and graphs. Excel is versatile and used in nearly every industry, so mastering it may lay a strong foundation for your career. In fact, some careers solely require advanced master of Excel and get a job. Another skill you need to master is SQL, structure query language, also pronounced as SQL. This language is used to manage and manipulate relational databases. As a data analyst, you'll be running queries to extract, filter and analyze data. Learning SQL will give you the ability to work with large data sets directly from the database. Then you also need to master visualization tools. Data visualization is whereby you use tools like Power BI, Tableau or Google Data Studio to allow you to create clear, compelling charts and dashboards that make your finding easier to understand. The ability to communicate data visually is essential for presenting your analysis to stakeholders. Then you also need to master Python. You can start with some basics and then advance. But once you have mastered SQL and Excel, you can get some good jobs. And when you get Python to add to your current knowledge, it's a bonus. Programming languages like Python or R can take your skills to the next level. Python, for example, you'll be able to clean data, perform statistical analysis, and even use machine learning algorithms to predict trends. While not always required for entry-level roles, it's a great tool for automating tasks and working with large data sets. Now that you know the essential skills, let's talk about how you can start learning. There are tons of online courses out here, from YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn. The list is endless. You can learn Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, and any other tool that you desire. However, if you need to be certified, you must enroll into a certified academy so that once you complete, you can get certified. But in most cases, you can still get a job without certification as long as you can prove to the panel of the interviewees that you can perform the job. That's why along the journey, you need to work with real-world data sets. Practice makes perfect. You can start applying what you've already learned by working with real-world database. There are websites like Kaggle. It provides numerous industry real data sets where you can practice your skills. The more you practice, the better you'll get to identify pattern and extracting useful insights. And then you need to do projects. So these projects come in handy, especially if you don't have experience, you don't have certification, and it's also a good way to build a portfolio and show that you can do. So you pick something that you're passionate about. Maybe you want to do a project on sports statistics, stock market, customer trends. You create your own project. You use the tools that you desire, the Excel, SQL, Power BI or Python, and along the way, you build a portfolio full of projects that you can justify that indeed you know how to do this job. Now, once you have mastered the key skills, now it's time to find a job. With a strong portfolio, you can highlight your best work, include personal projects, freelance work, studies, whatever that is show employers what you can do. Then you need to network. Like join LinkedIn groups, attend data analytic meetups, get involved in online communities. Sometimes the best opportunities come from the word of mouth or connection made at events. Don't forget to tailor your resume and LinkedIn profile to highlight your data analysis skills and relevant projects. You may also consider internship or freelance work, especially if you're just starting out. Internship or freelance projects can be a great way to gain real-world experience. Many companies are looking for junior analysts, and sometimes even unpaid position can help you build a portfolio. Then I have a few tips for you. The field of data analytics is constantly evolving, so you keep learning and stay curious. You also need to work with others, learn to collaborate, whether it's in team or getting feedback from peers. It helps to improve your skills. You need to be very patient. Data analytics is not a skill you can learn overnight. Go with your own pace, practice and be patient. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, do projects, and in the meantime, you will keep learning.